Hello, my name's Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita, and today I'm going to read a poem called My Uganda. This poem was written by myself. Here it goes. My Uganda. My Uganda, a country I love. My Uganda, a country of my ancestors. My Uganda, a country of my parents. My Uganda, a country I was born in. The Uganda I know was good. The Uganda I know was peaceful. The Uganda I know was awesome. And the Uganda I know was the pearl of Africa. What happened to my Uganda? Children and young ones are kidnapped daily. Children and young ones are killed daily. Young men and young women are being imprisoned. What happened to my Uganda? The Uganda I know educated me. The Uganda I know fed me. The Uganda I know raised me. And the Uganda I know gave me hope. My Uganda was a safe nation. My leaders used to care. My Uganda welcomed everyone. My Uganda was blossoming. Tribalism in my Uganda took center stage. Corruption in my Uganda is a norm. Nepotism in my Uganda is everywhere. Unemployment in my Uganda is rampant. I was a toddler when my Uganda was liberated. The rebel was sworn in the liberator. The 9th president since independence. He was 40 years old, but he looked young. Our parents jubilated. Years of bloodshed, dictatorship, brutal human rights violation was all over. Our parents said that they are now sleeping peacefully. Promises were made, never again to hear a gunshot in Uganda. He promised that Ugandans will only die of natural causes, not gunshots. He promised democracy to his people. He said that the Ugandan government is not a master, but a server for Ugandans. Oh, my Uganda, we all jubilated. We praised the rebel who liberated us. We praised his name and sing his praises. Oh, my Uganda, what happened to the 10-point plan? That includes respect of human rights. That is normal. Political positions are beaten daily. Some are murdered, some are kidnapped, while others are rotting in jail for supporting the opposition. Security was also one of the 10-point plan. Unfortunately, insecurity is the order of the day in my Uganda. Vans named as drones are kidnapping young men and women. Parents are in tears. Their young ones are nowhere to be seen. Oh, my Uganda, what happened to the pearl of Africa? I love my Uganda, and I have hope that my Uganda will be liberated again. Thank you so much for listening to me. My name's Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Bye.